In a shocking turn of events, television actor Paul V. Puri was arrested on Friday on charges of raping a minor girl. He has been booked for rape under Section of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences or POCSO Act. While this piece of news has left many fans shocked, the industry seems to be equally shocked. Ekta Kapoor has come out in support of actor Paul V. Puri. Ekta took to her Instagram to pen a lengthy note where she mentioned that the Nagin 3 actor is innocent and is being framed by the girl's father. She also mentioned that she has spoken to the girl's mother, who clearly stated that Paul is not involved in the case. Ekta also wrote that she has recorded conversations with the girl's mother that proves that Paul is innocent. Not only Ekta, many members of the entertainment industry have come out in support of the actor in the alleged case. Nia Sharma, Crystal D'Souza and many others supported Pearl. Bollywood actress Karishma Tanna has confirmed that Pearl has been granted bail in the alleged rape case. The netizens, however, are standing divided on this case. While some support the actor, there are others who have slammed other stars as well for supporting Pearl in this alleged rape case. Police said that it is an old case in which a minor girl had alleged that Paul had taken sexual favors from her by promising her a career in TV serials. Puri, who has been acting in television series for over 9 years, had befriended the girl, said the police. More details on the case are still awaited.